At Oshkosh Defense, we stand behind those who dedicate their lives to protecting others. As a tactical vehicle manufacturer, every day we strive to meet or exceed our customers' ever-changing needs with next-generation defense technologies and advanced systems. We operate with unparalleled commitment to those who depend on our products and services worldwide to perform their missions. I'm sure you might know someone who is serving or has served in our military, and our vehicles save those lives. The terrain our trucks travel over can be very unpredictable.
What kind of terrain do Oshkosh Defense trucks encounter?
Great question, Brianna. This can be anything from the desert to the mountains to fording through water. The trucks encounter a lot of different grades, and we were recently posed a question by our engineering team. They're looking at enhancing various parts of the truck, but they really need to know how much weight sits on those rear tires while driving up steep mountainous terrain on their missions. Would you be able to help with this?
I think I can help, but there is more information I'll need. Can you provide me with information about the truck and the grade they were interested in looking at?
Absolutely. So assume the JLTV has a wheelbase of 11 feet, a center of gravity of 5 feet behind the front tires, and a center of gravity height of 6 feet. The center of gravity is the point at which the truck is completely balanced. Thinking about traveling up the side of a cliff, it's imperative to our warfighter that that truck is level. Our engineering team was interested in looking at a 30% grade. Could you please tell me how much weight would be on the rear tires?
Sure, I found how much weight could be on the rear tire.
Great job! Now we need to consider one more important factor, the incline's impact on the braking capability of the vehicle.
Now it's your turn to solve the rest of the problem. Your teacher has the additional information needed to solve the problem. Good luck. Your answer could save lives.